Hi guys, so I bring this tutorial for today. It's so glittery and shimmering. And just a tip before you start with the glitter that I forgot to tell you is that guys, don't forget to put like powder on top like this part. So when you're finished with the glitter, you can just like dust it up with a brush. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with this Kate Von D primer, eye primer, and I'm gonna put it on all my lid. Be using this Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna be using the color orange over here. And I'm just gonna apply it like on my lower lid. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna be using these two from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna be using the sandalwood, this color, just to like that transition color. And on the top, I'm gonna be using this henna color. I'm gonna be using this henna color on the top of over here, okay? Just to intensify that eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this Morphe G13 brush, and I'm gonna use the color Bay over here. It's like a beige color. We're gonna use this Stila. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, and it's glittery, and we're gonna put it on the top, the color orange that we put like just in this corner. Just into the middle part. And same over here. I'm gonna add a little bit of this glitter from MAC. We're gonna put it like on the top and just like turn it around like this, turn it around like this, and now we're gonna, let me show you, we're gonna be using We're gonna be using the same Huda Beauty palette. We're gonna use them, like I don't know the colors, but this red over here. So So now I'm gonna be using this. Oh, sorry. Shit. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from NYX. It's color purple. Oh, it's color purple. It doesn't say the name, but you know. And we're gonna put it like right over here. It's looking good. So now we're gonna put the eyelashes and we're gonna get back. So now that we're done with the eyelashes, we're gonna do like the bottom part of the eye. I'm gonna see if we're using this red. Just apply like on the bottom. Are so pigmented. I'll be using this Sephora smudge brush. I'm gonna put, I guess, this bossy color. So this is all for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe this video, and keep on watching, please. Love you.